Hi and welcome. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my zip kit that I created. I know times have been crazy with the COVID-19, and so this will be a little activity for the students to have hands-on learning. I'm going to start with telling you about, it's going to be titled Living and Non-Living Organism Activity. The students will read the living and non-living guide, use the baggie labeled objects, and use the orange colored paper to sort the objects out with the parent and use them to check for understanding, and then complete the living and non-living organism paper for sorting between not living and non-living cutouts. The students will begin reading the guide. Living things eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. Non-living things do not eat, breathe, grow, and reproduce. Here's the chart that they will separate. They can find things that they find at home, just as I did. They will look at the glass. They will say, well, it does not eat, does not breathe, grow, or reproduce, so it is non-living, and they would sort them and so forth. And this is what the finished product would look like. So then on to the portion that they would submit for credit. They would need scissors and glue. They would need to cut each one of these out, and they would need to put them in the living and non-living areas. Now, if we were in the real classroom, depending on, since the circumstances have changed, but if they were in the classroom, you could send this in through a zip kit, and then they would have a checklist for return, and it would look something like this. The checklist for return would say, did you read the living and non-living guide? Did you complete the T-chart with the parent? Did you check your answers? Did you put the objects back into the bag after you finished? Did you complete the living and non-living organism handout? And did you put your name on your paper? And that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching.